Hyer boots start at about $380 for the pair. So what do you do when the soles wear out? Do you buy a new pair or do you get them resoled? Well, let me ask you this. When the tires wear out on your car, you just buy a new car, you get new tires. When the roof on your house wears out, do you just, buy a new house or do you get a new roof? I think you get my point here. When you buy good quality boots, it's an investment. And just like your car, just like your house, sometimes they need a little bit of repair, they need maintenance. And when you do maintain and clean your boots, and you maintain your house and you maintain your car, they'll last you many, many years. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name's Oliver the Shoe Man. My wife and I own and run our family's 5th generation shoe repair business right outside Nashville, Tennessee. This is Ben. He's been our apprentice for about a year now, and he's going to help us resole these Hyer boots.
There are 4 things you need to know before getting your boots resoled. What soles to choose, if you need new welts, if you can actually trust your cobbler, and just some general boot maintenance. One thing I love about Hyer boots is that they use a solid stacked leather heel base, whereas most companies will use paper or plastic. They use solid leather, which obviously holds up way better.
Now, let's talk about whether or not you can actually trust your cobbler. So I don't like talking bad about other cobblers' work, but whenever I see a half sole come in the shop, I physically cringe. Now half soles are fine when done properly, but 99.9% of the half soles I see are done horribly, like absolute garbage. This one's okay. At least they countersunk the new stitching and they removed the old threads from the welt. But there's no reason to have to put super glue along the joint. If you overlap the soles properly, it'll hold together just fine, and you don't need any super glue or nails holding it. If you don't overlap them properly, the seam is going to open back up and allow dirt, water, and other crap to get underneath the sole and ruin the inside of your boot. Now, a good rule of thumb when trying out a new cobbler is to ask to see their finished work. Most of the time, they will have a ready shelf of shoes you can inspect, or at least some pictures of their past work. That's why I have this YouTube channel. And if you walk into my shop, I have examples of almost all of our sole options on boots, so you can get a good idea of what the sole looks like on the boot. So something happened with audio as we were recording, so I'm going to explain to you what Ben's explaining to you right now.
Another thing to consider is if you want or need new welts on your boot. This is the welt. It gets stitched directly to the boot, and then the soles get stitched to the welt. Now, if it's dried out, it needs to be replaced. If it's in good shape, we could take the old threads out and stitch new soles back onto it. Now, let's say these are your dress boots, and you need to get them resoled. You may want to replace the welt, even if it's in good condition. When we stitch the new soles on, we have to hold the boot upside down, and we can't guarantee the new stitch is going to follow the original holes. So the stitch can sometimes come out a little wonky. Doing new welts allows us to guarantee a brand new clean stitch, just like it came from the factory.
Now, after you figure out if you want new welts, you can obviously choose what sole you want. The Hyer boots, they come with an oil tanned leather outsole. It's a little bit different than our oak bark tanned outsole. It's got more oils infused in the leather sole so that when you're wearing these boots in the saddle, you actually feel it and you have a lot more grip and control. These ones, like I said, are oak bark tans. It's a little bit of a drier. It's also as durable as a sole like this. But we also have other soles. We have the Vibram 430, we have the Vibram 700. There's a few other soles we could do, and we're in the process of actually making a video per sole. We've already done the 430, we've done the 700, but each one has its own function. Each one is designed to do a specific thing. Now, unfortunately, I don't have access to the oil tanned outsoles that Hyer uses, although I might be able to get it. I just need to know if there's a demand for it. So, if you have a pair of Hyer boots and you would be interested in getting the oil tanned leather outsoles put on them after you wear out the original ones, in the comments let me know. Say, yes, I have Hyers and I want the oil tanned outsoles, or I have Hyers and I want something different.
This customer works in maintenance, so he chews through these leather soles. That's why he decided to go with his Vibram 430 sole. He said he couldn't find a boot with a rubber sole that he liked, so by getting these resoled, he gets to have the boots that he likes with the soles that better suit what he uses them for.
Like I said in the very beginning of this video, in order to get your boots to last as long as possible, you have to condition them. You have to clean them and put some moisturizer in the leather. Leather is just dead skin, and just like we put conditioner and moisturizer on our skin so it keeps it from cracking, leather needs the same thing. So this is Black Rock. This is what I use on pretty much almost every single pair of boots that comes in the shop. And what I'm doing is I'm just putting it on this leather here. It works on all kinds of leathers, colors, different types of tanned leathers. There's like, oil tans, there's Chrome Excel, calf, just normal type of stuff. But you can use this on pretty much anything. And a little bit goes a long way. It's gonna darken it at first a little bit just because you're getting the leather wet. But as you wear it, it'll start to lighten up and dry over time back to that normal color you like. But this is important because if you're going to invest in the soles, you need to make sure the uppers are in good shape. And once the uppers are cracked, they have holes in them, there's really nothing I could do to bring them back to life besides replacing the vamp itself, which at that point, depending on how tied you are to the boots, it's not really worth putting that type of money into it. All right, and just like that, these boots are done. Let's take a look at how they turned out. And now these boots are actually one of a kind. We got brand new welts, so it's got a nice clean stitch, just like it came from the manufacturer. We were able to reuse the leather heel bases. That's the pro of a leather heel base. If it's in good shape, then we could reuse it. The soles, well, obviously with 430 soles, he wanted a little bit of grip, but he didn't want that look of a lug from the edge profile, so the 430 is what he went with. We did some nice luggy type heels. These things are super thick, so they're going to last him a very long time. We conditioned the uppers, and these things are going to last him a very, very long time. I'm really happy with how they turned out. Now, if you have any questions about getting your boots resold, all my contact information is down below. You can send me a text, email, give me a phone call during my business hours. But if after watching this video, you're like, I want to get my boots resold, I'll go to my website.
Once you're here on my website, go ahead and hit the 3 bars at the top. Hit repairs, shoe repair, and cowboy boots. Here, you can see all the different sole options we offer. Scroll down, you'll see the Vibram 430 Recraft. We have a few pictures and examples of ones we've done, a description of what it is, what's all included. You get to choose if you want new welts or not, a single or a double stitch cowboy boots. If you want to add a midsole, you can. We have these soles in black and brown. You get to choose between a cowboy heel or a lug heel like we did in the video. Top stitch, bottom stitch, edge finish. Once you're happy, add that to your cart. Check out like normal and you'll get an email confirmation with the shipping instructions. Ship them on in and I will give you a call when they arrive to finalize the details and get you in line.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I do greatly appreciate it. Like if you found this video valuable. Subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. Until next time, God bless you guys.